Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all. It is Sunday menu, Sunday dinner recipe idea segments. Yeah, I think that's how I got it. I'm gonna show y'all an easy way to do barbecue ribs in the oven. Y'all seen these before, but you never seen the spare ribs. I did the baby back before, but I never did the spare ribs. Now I got some spare ribs here. I actually cut them in half where they'll fit in the pan. So these are 2 slabs of ribs, and I got them seasoned. Only season I used, y'all, was Uncle Steve's competition pig shake, and I put some worshitire on here. I put some. I'm gonna put it all in the description of the video, y'all. Some worshitire, his smoke bomb, and some liquid smoke. That's all that's on here, y'all. That's all I put on here. Liquid smoke, smoke bomb, competition pig shake, and then Worcestershire sauce, liquid smoke. And I don't cut, some people cut the membrane off. I don't. I like the crispiness of the membrane on the back here. You can take that off. I don't take it off. And I know a lot of people that don't. I know a lot of barbecue restaurants that don't take it off because I like that crispy skin on the bottom. So what I'm going to do, y'all, it's a 2 process. It's going to be ready in about an hour and a half. That's how quick these going to cook. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to range them in the pan here. Because I'm going to sear them off in the oven for maybe about 20 minutes. I want to get a good sear on these and get good color on them. And then, after I get that good color on them, I'm going to come back and I'm going to cover them up. And I'm going to put a little liquid in it. I know some going to have a liquid. Put a little liquid in it. And I'm going to cover it up with foil. Seal it really, really good. And let it cook for about an hour. When it come back after an hour, I'm gonna put barbecue sauce already. When it come back after an hour, I'm gonna take them out of the oven, take the foil off, brush it with barbecue sauce again, put it back in the oven about 10 more minutes, get that nice sticky glaze on it. It's gonna be just like you cooked them outside, y'all. It'll be secret between me and you. It didn't cook outside. So I'm gonna step off, put it in the oven, 450 degrees. I didn't explain that. 450 degrees, 15, 20 minutes. Come back. Put some barbecue sauce on and put it in the oven, 350, maybe 375 for 45 minutes to an hour, covered. After that, take them out 15 minutes, put some more sauce on them, uncovered in the oven 15 minutes. I'm gonna show you the process. Oven barbecue spare rib, falling off the bone. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, you can see I got my ribs all seared off. That's what I want, just a little color. I mean, just like I said, I put in the oven about 20, 30 minutes. I just want a little sear on them, just like this. Now, all I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna brush them with a thick barbecue sauce. Y'all know I use Sweet Baby Ray's, whatever, but it has to be a thick barbecue sauce, y'all. And we're gonna sauce them twice. Another reason I sear them because I want the, see the seasoning still on there? If I was to put this barbecue sauce on here without searing it, when I'm brushing this sauce like I'm doing, all the seasoning would just come right off. That's another reason I'm doing this. So you're gonna put it on there as thick as you can. Move this one up, put this one up in here like this. Move it around like that, y'all. And try not to brush it too hard because, like I said, you don't want to brush all the nice rub that you put on there. You don't want to brush that off. This one up. This is hot, y'all. I can do this with my hand. If y'all can't do that, get up. My hand is cooking all these years is numb. Okay. That's what you want, y'all. Just what you want. Just brush it just like that, y'all. A little bit more. Brush it evenly. Now, y'all, I'm gonna put a little water in the bottom of this pan just to create a steam, and that's gonna help them cook so quickly. But you don't want to put it on top of the rib, y'all. You just want to put it right in the pan Do not pour it on top of your rib. That's gonna defeat the purpose of you. Here we go. Now, I'm gonna completely seal this with foil. I don't want no leaks, no nothing. I'm gonna completely seal this, y'all. Hold on just a second. I'm gonna show y'all a little trick. 1 second. I'm gonna spray the inside. I know you can do that non-stick foil, but to me it's too thin. It doesn't have the same texture as regular foil. So put that one on there. And one more piece here, y'all. And I'm gonna put it in the oven. I turn the oven down to about 375. It's gonna take about 45 minutes to an hour. Don't open it, don't even peek or nothing, because you want to make sure it stays completely sealed, y'all. Just like that. And the steam is going to do the thing. That's what's going to make it cook so quick. So anyway, y'all, we'll be back in about an hour, and we're going to show you what we got. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. I just took the ribs out the oven. Now, all I'm going to do now, I'm going to release this steam. Y'all got to be careful when you do this. If not, you'll burn your hand. Burn your arm. Let me show y'all what I got here. See this? That's what you wanted, y'all. They tender. I already tender. Now what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna put them in the oven for 15 more minutes. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some more barbecue sauce on them and turn the oven back up to 450, and that's gonna give it that final glaze, y'all. See that? I'm gonna get that final glaze to this. So put all this, you can pour some of them. You know what I'm gonna do? Forgot. Pour some of this liquid off of here. All this liquid off of here. There we go. Pour some of that water off of there, right in the sink. Now I'm gonna put more barbecue sauce on here, y'all. We're gonna get that nice shiny glaze on there. And remember to turn your oven back up to 450 degrees. Like I say, we're gonna put some more barbecue, get that final sticky glaze on here. We're gonna leave it in the oven uncovered for about 15-20 minutes. Get them up underneath here. Let's see here what I'm gonna do here, y'all. What I'm gonna do here. Get them all of them glazed off here, y'all. All barbecue sauce on them. One's in the back. This way. Go. Nice sticky. They're gonna be nice and sticky, flavorful. Use all this sauce out of here, y'all. Ain't gonna waste nothing. See that there? All right, I'm gonna put in the oven, 400, I'm gonna go back up to 425 on this, about maybe 20 minutes, y'all. We're gonna get a good sear and it's gonna cook them the rest of the way off, because they gotta cook another 10-15 minutes. So anyway, y'all, we'll be back when they're completely ready. All right, y'all, we back. Look at this, y'all. They ready? But the thing is, y'all, I'm gonna let them, I have to let them set here, maybe about 20 minutes. I want all that juice to just go back into the rib. If I cut them now, the juice is gonna go everywhere. Y'all been following me enough, you know how it is when you're cooking meat in the oven. When you take it out, let it rest 15-20 minutes, allow the juice to go back into the meat. That way you'll have a juicier taste of meat when you cut it. So yeah, like I say, y'all, hour in the oven, it look just like you did them outside. Nobody can tell the difference. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. We're gonna cut this up. And we're gonna chase them out and see how good they is. So y'all, we'll be right back. Sunday's menu ideas favorites. Almost finished. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. And I put a few ribs here on the plate here, y'all. Hold on, y'all, just a second. Making a mess here. Making a little mess here on my plate. Look at that there. Look at them oven barbecue ribs. You can't tell you cook these outside, y'all. You can't tell you cook these outside. I mean inside. I thought you cooked them outside. We'll take this one off the top here. And like I told y'all, I like the rib, when you pick it up, the knife fall off the bone. But it is tender, I'm telling y'all. Let me give y'all a close-up. Look at this rib. Oven rib, y'all. But it should be tender enough where you can pull the bone out. See that bone come out clean? Finger looking. Finger looking good, y'all. I'm going to keep it fancy. I'm going to keep it fancy, y'all. Just kind of cut it with the knife while I'm on camera. Look how juicy that rib is, y'all. See how juicy that rib is. Nice and juicy. Look at that. Give y'all a real close-up. Nice little fat on there. All right. Tell y'all. Another piece. Cutting like a steak. Later on, we're gonna get down there. Put a little sauce off of that. All right. Put this one over here. I don't see it. Move the camera over just a little. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Nice and tender, juicy, and flavor. See how juicy that is. See that? That's how you cook ribs in the oven for an hour. It's like you cook them outside. Nice and juicy, tender, flavorful. It doesn't get no better than this. This is Sunday afternoon after church. This is some baked beans, some mashed potato. Baked beans and potato salad. It's on, y'all. It is on. So, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share. Please comment. Please subscribe. Please follow my TikTok and Instagram account. Can you follow my Pinterest? Old school, let's see. Pinterest, Facebook. I got all mixed up, y'all. Twitter, Twitch TV, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a happy, blessed Sunday. Stay prayed up. Love y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.